Magic bath crackles. Review. Ready?
Yeah.
Shh. Stop moving. It's basically Pop Rocks, but it's for the bath. Don't mind the blue water. The greeny blue water. Pause. We also put these in Fizzy tub colors. We put 2 blues and a yellow in. Let's put let's plop a purple in and see what happens.
I'm flopping up.
Smack your legs around. Ooh. It's making the tub all sorts of funky. Turn on the jet. Smile for the camera, pretty boy. Smile.
Why?
Here, smile. Smile. Did my pretty boy. Oh, now we can't see it. Turn it back on.
Why?
Because I want to get more bubbles and stuff. Water's a funky color. Lots of bubbles. Alright, you can turn it off. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, I love you.
It's gone.
Here, give me a smile, pretty boy.
Bye.
Love you.
Thank you.
That was Sesame Street, Fizzy tub colors, 9 bright coloring tablets.
Let me see.
You already seen it. The colors.
me
It changed
see.
the water.
Let me see.
See what?
Nah.
You saw it. It made the water change color, remember? That's why the water's a different color, Doodle.
Do it.
And then we... Oh,
What?
they're not penetrating through the bubbles. Wow, look at the color of the water.
What?
It's dark.
What? Is it dark?
Wow, that purple, blue, and yellow made like a crazy dark color.
We're talking.
Wow, that's like murky water. Woohoo! And you are clean, so tub's clean.
What?
Snap, crackle. Pa, 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 pa. Mr. Bubbles Magic Bath Crackles. Available at Walmart. Yeah. All right, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Oops, excuse me.